Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's another new video alert. So today we are using a use attachment to make this beautiful style. So if you have a use attach that you have used before, after watching this video you know that attachment you have used before is very useful. So watch this video to the end and tell me what you think about this style. So yeah, this is my baby laughing sheepishly. So her hair is already washed and the attachment is already washed. So it needs some touching, some sorting out. I had to sort it out before using. So this is when I have sort everything out and cut it into two. I just want the hair to be very short. That is why I cut it into two. So yes, this is me braiding the hair. First of all, I want to braid her hair first so that to avoid cutting of her hair or anything that will make the hair to cut. So I just want to braid the hair first before adding attachment. Like not less gong gong gong, but like not less, just to make the hair lap very well. So yes, this is me braiding the hair step by step with the attachment. You can see the attachment is not the same size, just different length. As long as you have used the attachment before, it's not going to be the same size, the same length, you understand? So that is it. This is me braiding it to the end. So I will allow you people to watch to the end to see how I braid this hair to the end. So enjoy your video. Thank you. Hi, I'm back again. So after braiding this thing to the end, kind of do small twisting before tying it, like tying it round to achieve that bounce. Is it bouncing? To achieve that look. So I'm going to tie it round, all round together. After braiding it, then I will do small twisting on the down, then measure the other ones to tie it to achieve that round look. So that is it. So after making it round, you still burn it to avoid it unraveling. You have to burn it, make it to be strong to avoid uh, untying itself. You know, children now, if they start playing, now everything will scatter. So you have to burn it to achieve the more look and everything. So this is how I achieve this look. So that's it. So beautiful people, if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and also like this video. And also if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section. Anything at all, drop it on the comment section. Thank you. So this is another, the front. I wanted to make the front weaving, you understand, to give it another look instead of making it one, like making it all braid. So I want to just do the Ghana weaving in the front to give it another beautiful look. So this is how I braid it. I braid it one by one. I first of all braid her hair. You know, she doesn't have a front hair, so I'm trying to braid the hair, because if I use if I use her hair straight, it's going to cut her hair. She doesn't have a front hair, so I'm using I'm trying to braid her hair first, then I start adding attachments. So if you are braiding a baby's hair or even an adult, you need to braid her hair first to avoid that cutting. If you want to save your front hair. So this is me braiding it all back to achieve the same look. So beautiful people, enjoy your video and watch to the end. Thank you. Yeah, see me finishing the bread and everything. See the hair, see how the hair come out. Who will know that this is a use attachment? How? So beautiful people, thank you for watching to this extent. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like, drop a comment on the comment section, and I love you all. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.